Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be cleaning the fan in the PS4. The first step is there could be two stickers over these two screws, but undo these two here, these four security torque screws. The next step then is to flip the console over and remove the hard drive cover. And this is fairly simple, it just slides. And then the next step is to undo these two screws. If you want to remove the hard drive, this Phillips screw up here releases it and it just pulls straight out the back. I am going to do that because it is dirty in around it. This whole console is very dirty. The next step is removing this cover, which can be a bit tricky. You just need to kind of start pulling and work your way back. Hard to kind of get this on camera because I keep having to turn it, but you basically just keep pulling it. In with a splitter. It's just had in my clips the whole way around, so you just have to kind of keep working it, work your way down. Use a splitter or maybe a flathead screwdriver if you need to. The next step is to remove this side. Start up in this corner. The same thing, it's just a heap of clips. Just start working your way around. Get your splitter in if you need to. This console is filthy, as you can see. The next step is to remove the power supply, which is here, and you've got your 3 Torx bits here and here, and 2 Phillips here and here. When removing the power supply, there is a cable here which is attached, so you want to start gently kind of getting it up. And flip it over, and here's the cable, so you don't want to rip it straight up or you will damage this. So the next step is kind of get in as best you can, maybe use air, a brush, whatever, clean all this cleaning around the power supply, get the filthy in there, then get over cleaning all around the fan. If you are using air on the fan, hold the fan when you're spraying it, just try not blast it with air and let it spin freely or you can damage the bearings inside the fan. I'm not going to show you cleaning inside the console, it just needs to get cleaned. Okay guys, once you're happy that you have your console as clean as you wanted it, first step, reattach the power supply, just clip back in your cable, and just drop it straight down. Reattach the 5 screws. Next part is fairly easy, just get the bottom of your console, like so, and this just slides in, drops down. Remember to reinstall your hard drive. Don't forget the screw. Two Torx bits. And that just leaves your 4 Torx to go in the back. Hopefully after doing that your PlayStation will stop sounding like it's about to take off.